All right, I got a call for a cook's drawers units downstairs not working. Show you guys what I found. Come over here and turn the breaker on. Compressor's toast. So I'm gonna go ahead and change out this condensing unit. There it is out of there. Look at this sight glass. Look at that. Tell me that's not a burnout, huh? Ooh, that is so nasty. Burn, baby, burn. Nasty. I got the little electric crane hooked up. There's a dead unit. I just went fishing for my torch rig. Got it. Hee hee hee. Yeah. Why didn't you just hook your torch rig up to the electric winch? Because this is better. That's gonna end up short. All right, I got her stuffied in there. Let's see how we do. That's what I was looking for right there. You can get those electric winches on Amazon for like $100. There it goes. Some slack in it. That right there. All right, cool. I got the glove off so I could hit the record button. All right, let's get that one out of here. All right, this is what I'm thinking. I'm gonna tape this onto the condenser to try and keep it from getting boogered up. I've made my straps like this, and I'm gonna hook it up here. I'm gonna pull it up the ladder with the condenser facing down, the back plate to the ladder coming up, and hopefully I can get it up there and swing it up and in. And that's my plan of attack. So let me get this condenser taped up and feeling better. Some duct tape. We're alive, nothing's hammered. That's where it had to come up. I use these straps around the compressor itself and then this carabiner to that big hook. I put the big hook on and I used the 2 cables. I had purchased that big hook separately from the winch. And then I put the winch's grabber through the eye bolt of the this big one I had bought. All right, now I can carry it over there and put it where it goes. Get it bolted down and we'll figure out our piping. Yeah, baby. Whew, Mamma mia. That's what my face looks like after that one. Oh, baby. I need to shave, dude. It's the middle of the week. It's time for a shave. Oh, shit. Let's get this in there. See how we do. All right, I want to make sure I get my cardboard off my condenser before I put it in there, right? That's my protector, condenser protector. Now I can slide my unit into the opening up there. All right, we took out a Tecumseh and we put in a Copeland, and what's nice is it actually fits in the opening perfectly, the condenser size. And you'll see on the back here that the bolt patterns match up too on the skid. So I'm pretty stoked on that, changing out from a Tecumseh to a Copeland. All right, so my video fell apart after that because, you know, the customer, when the cook's line goes down, the customer they need that stuff working. When I had the piping left and I went to the truck, got the pipe, the bender, bent up my pipe, brazed it in, pulled my vacuum, charged up the system, and I really didn't think about grabbing the camera anymore. And it's been happening a lot lately to me. It's like, man, film the work for the YouTubes, and then I get too busy. And you know, I'm doing this after working an 8-hour shift already at my day job, and I forget to film sometimes, and it's like, wow. So I just explain it to you. I'm showing what I filmed already. Some of you might think, that sucks, but hopefully, like how I rigged the compressor and the little winch I used, hopefully there's some tidbits in there that guys can take from how I did it that will help them if they got to get a unit up to the roof. Usually if you're working for a company, you won't be by yourself. You'll have a helper. But hopefully some of the little tips and tricks I'm showing in there might help. So I'm going to go ahead and show it. So I got it in. Everything's working. It's looking good. I got like 2 more calls while I was up on the roof that I'm going to, because it's almost dark now, that I'm going to, I'm going to look at one tomorrow. It's a R290 prep table that's tripping breakers. And then there's a reach-in freezer that's not working, that's throwing a code on a control, and I haven't seen it yet. I was asking the customer what control it is, and he's not sure what control it is, so we'll find out when we get over there on that one. But yeah, it went back together. Everything went together good, and the cook's line's cooling now. So, but I wanted to jump on, explain why I didn't film the rest. I just got too into working. You know, you got to lug everything up on the roof: the nitrogen, the vacuum pump, the refrigerant. You know the drill. And probably I got to come up with like a tripod or something and just leave the camera rolling. And I'll try and get better at that too. I think what do I got down here? I think I got a headband for the GoPro. I just don't use the GoPro much because the iPhone's so convenient for filming. So I got this little headband set up for the GoPro. And I'll try and get some, you know, where I can get that on there with the GoPro and try and film some headshots. And we'll see how that turns out. I just think the iPhone films much better than a GoPro. That's the only reason I've been doing that. We'll see. All right. Do me a huge favor, smash the like button. And if not, even if you didn't like the video, if you could hit the subscribe button, would help a brother out a ton. Smash the subscribe. Brink, brink, brink. And if you want to, hit the bell, and it'll notify you when I post a video. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.